Hello friends, welcome to my creative channel to watch more creative videos on machine learning using Python. We have gone through many videos on face detection, face recognition, then attendance system using Streamlit, using OpenCV, using deepface, using fear library, but this time we are going to see face detection, face recognition, face detection from image, face recognition from live face, and face recognition from video using MTCNN. So first of all, let us see in brief what is MTCNN. Python MTCNN. MTCNN stands for multitask cascaded convolutional neural network. Is a neural network which detects faces and facial landmark on images. MTCNN is one of the most popular and most accurate face detection tool today. It consists of 3 neural networks connected to cascade. MTCNN has been widely adopted in industry for human face detection task, which is an essential step for subsequent face recognition and facial expression analysis. MTCNN algorithm is deep learning based face detection and alignment method that uses a cascading series of convolutional neural network to detect and localize faces in digital images or videos. So it is proposed that a multitask cascaded convolutional neural network was used to detect all faces in the images, and then by using deep convolutional neural network and performing transfer learning from pre-trained VG face-2 model, that the effect was good. So that's all about theoretical part. Now we will go through, first of all we will go through initial state of the program. This I will remove it. This is for video file recognition, the folder, and this is for detecting the image folder, and these are the 3 files: MTCNN from image, webcam, and video. For video folder, for video this is folder there to recognize the face in video, and for face detection this folder is there. Now first of all we will go through the first part, detection using MTCNN. This MTCNN, and it is used to detect the face and stored out with name Outputfile.jpg, and my image is sanjay1.jpg. you can see here this one. Now I will execute the program. Yes, fine. The image saved successfully. We will see it whether it is saved or not. Yes, it is saved and the face is detected. Fine. Now using the live face detection, using the recognition of the face using live, so using webcam, yes, fine, yes, it is detected. Yes, fine, yes, detected. Recognize face has been recognized. Yes, fine. Now at the last, detection of face from the video. We will see this is video file, no file is there, and here is my video file. This is my video file. I will be passing input we can see here. Video. Here I am passing SSM that file. Now we'll execute the program. Yes, fine. It will take some time for video file to process. Please be patient. It will take some time to video file processing. So please be patient. Please be patient. Image is recognized from the video file. So please be patient. It will take some time. Also, it is recognizing the face from the video. We have seen recognition of face from webcam, and we have seen the recognition of face from image. Now it will work fast. Nearby, about to complete. Yes, the video was saved successfully. Yes, we can see here. Yes, video has been processed successfully. So I successfully done with MTCNN with detection of face, recognition of face, and recognition of face from the video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on MTCNN model, CNN model, Keras, TensorFlow. We have seen a lot of videos on TensorFlow, Keras, that emotion recognition, facial emotion recognition using Keras and TensorFlow. And I will be back with more and more creative videos on machine learning, if possible OpenAI, if possible Streamlit with face recognition, attendance system, and emoji. We have seen sentiment analysis using Streamlit and this thing. So for latest update about machine learning, keep watching my videos on my YouTube channel sanjaymahajanyoutube.com. Thanks for watching.